Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado D generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find the diagram for the battery fuse box, you have a special little fuse box on top of your car battery. Stay with us, we'll explain guys what the fuses are for. Okay, very important fuses, where you can buy one at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuse box diagram now on Chevy Silverado that generation. Now you have up to 6 fuses, we'll talk about that, but you have many hidden fuse boxes all over that track, and most people don't know about them. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do, open the hood, and once you open the hood, the main fuse box is here, right? But if you come to the passenger side, let's zoom in. This is your coolant reservoir. Behind it guys, okay, you have your car battery. On top of it, where the positive terminal is, you have an integrated fuse box. Okay, that's a positive battery terminal, that's a fuse box. This is the top view. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So here guys, okay, what are those fuses for? Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here you have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 integrated fuses. Not all of them will be used. It really depends whether what kind of engine you have, what kind of drivetrain, what kind of options, right? But some of the main fuses here, there is very limited information. Most likely the 175M, the Ford fuse, is power steering fuse, but you can expect to have power steering fuse in that fuse box, radiator fan, cooling fan fuse, alternator, main fuse guys, known as main fuse, which could be part of the starter fuse as well. In some cases you may have fuses for brake vacuum pump and even for the auxiliary water pump. Those will be the most important ones, but usually we have power steering for you, for sure, power steering, alternator, and the main fuse will be part of that one, and the cooling radiator fan as well guys. Now guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind guys, that way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.